Have you ever wondered what each part of a roof is called? Well, we're here to shed some light on that. Roofs, the crowning glory of any home, are more than just protective shells. They're complex systems comprised of many parts, each with its own name and function. You may think of a roof as just shingles and gutters, but it's so much more. Let's start from the top, the peak or the highest point of a roof, often referred to as the ridge. The ridge runs the length of the roof, providing a unifying aesthetic element that ties the entire structure together. From the ridge, the roof slopes downward. These slopes are called planes. They give the roof its distinctive shape and are responsible for directing rainwater away from the home. Then we have the valleys. These are the angles formed where two roof planes meet. Valleys play a crucial role in managing rain and snow, directing them into the gutters. Speaking of gutters, these are the channels that run along the edge of the roof. Gutters collect the water that runs off the roof planes and valleys, directing it away from the home's foundation. Underneath the shingles, you'll find the underlayment, a protective barrier that provides an additional layer of defense against the elements. The flashing is a thin piece of metal installed at every point where the roof plane meets a vertical surface like a wall, or around the roof penetrations like chimney or dormers. Flashing is critical for preventing water seepage into the home. Finally, there's the fascia and soffit. The fascia is a vertical finishing edge connected to the ends of the rafters, while the soffit is located under the fascia and is the visible part from the home's exterior. These parts not only provide a finished look to the roof, but also protect the home by keeping out pests. So, there you have it. A roof is not just a simple cover for a house, but a complex system with each part playing a crucial role in protecting the home and its inhabitants from the elements. Remember, understanding your roof and its parts can help you maintain it better, potentially saving you from costly repairs in the future. To sum it up, a roof is made up of the ridge, planes, valleys, gutters, underlayment, flashing, fascia, and soffit. Each part has a unique role to play in keeping your home safe and dry. If you've enjoyed this exploration into the anatomy of a roof, do share this video with friends who might find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe for more interesting insights. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.